Hey guys, so I'm doing an unboxing, hello box, with my latest shipment from Herbalife and wanted to share with you guys a couple things. I got banana caramel. I haven't had banana caramel in a while. I have been legit, you guys, stuck on pralines and cream, which literally every single shake flavor I've ever tried with Herbalife tastes like pure deliciousness, where you literally start to wonder, like, am I really eating healthy? Because can this really be this good, right? And I remember when I first tried Herbalife in 2013 and I tried healthy mint chocolate chip and beverage mix and was like, I don't care what's in this stuff, I'm always gonna use it because it's delicious and it's simple and easy and healthy. Delicious, simple, easy, healthy. 4 things, not 5. Then this time for the protein drink mix, which together these add up to 2 scoops of this is 15 grams and 2 scoops of this is 9 grams. So together they add 24 grams. And this time for my protein drink mix, I got peanut cookie. You guys, peanut, like, I love peanut butter. So shout out to my peanut butter lovers. Like, I feel you, I love peanut butter. Side note, related, unrelated. One of my guilty pleasures used to be that at least once a month, over 4 years ago when I was 55 pounds heavier, I would eat a whole jar of peanut butter after I worked out, legit. Keynote, 55 pounds heavier, disclaimer, average person that uses Herbalife loses a half a pound to a pound a week. I'm not average, and I don't think you are either. Multivitamin refill, multivitamin complex, and one of my favorites I just mentioned. Let's just pause for a moment of silence, a moment of gratitude, is beverage mix. Which, you guys, this is like adult Kool-Aid, like legit. It's adult Kool-Aid minus the sugar, 15 grams of protein, freaking amazing. And then, dun, 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 cell activate. Oh, and I just found out, you guys, I was so excited and so grateful. I got a message from Garen, so thank you, Garen, that it was 3 of us in the 21-day challenge that got the reward for like consistency. And which was cool. Like, I love the recognition, I love the shout out. I was like, wow, I made it, you know, in the top 3. And I was already super grateful for that. And then Garen messages me yesterday that I'm also gonna get a prize for it of another beverage mix that I'll have like now as 2 backups right now. And you guys, I go through this stuff so fast. And protein bites, which I shared on my last unboxing. So again, shout out and thank you so much. And so yeah, that's it, you guys. Feel free to jump in to the freebies and download a free meal plan, a free supplement plan, join us maybe in a challenge, a mastermind, a course, or any of our live experiences as well. Thanks so much.